In today's digital age, our smartphones are not just communication devices, they are repositories of our personal and financial lives. This makes them prime targets for hackers, and one of their most insidious tactics is phone cloning. Phone cloning is the act of creating a duplicate of your phone, allowing hackers to make calls, send messages, and access your data as if they were you. The implications are chilling. Identity theft, financial loss, and even blackmail are all possible consequences. Hackers are constantly developing new and sophisticated methods to clone phones, targeting individuals from all walks of life. Therefore, it's crucial to be aware of the threat, understand the methods employed, and take steps to protect yourself. We'll explore the various techniques employed by hackers, discuss the telltale signs of a compromised phone, and outline practical steps to fortify your defenses against these invisible threats. One of the most common and devastating methods of phone cloning is SIM swapping. This technique exploits vulnerabilities in the mobile phone system itself, allowing hackers to take control of your phone number without ever physically touching your device. Hackers gather personal information about you from various sources such as social media, data breaches, or phishing scams. They then contact your mobile service provider posing as you and report your SIM card as lost or stolen. Using the information they've gathered, they convince the provider to deactivate your SIM card and activate a new one in their possession. Once the swap is complete, your phone number is effectively hijacked. Calls, text messages, and even two-factor authentication codes are redirected to the hacker's device. This underscores the importance of being vigilant about your online presence and protecting your personal data. Public Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth connections, while seemingly harmless, can be gateways for hackers to infiltrate your phone and clone its data. Public Wi-Fi networks, often found in coffee shops, airports, and hotels, are notorious for their lax security. These networks often lack encryption, meaning your data is transmitted in plain text, easily intercepted by anyone with the right tools and know-how. Hackers can position themselves between you and the Wi-Fi router, eavesdropping on your online activity, capturing login credentials, and even injecting malicious software onto your device. Bluetooth, a short-range wireless technology commonly used for pairing devices like headphones and speakers, also presents a potential attack vector. Once connected, they can potentially extract data, install malware, or even make calls from your device without your knowledge. By understanding the potential dangers and taking appropriate precautions, you can enjoy the benefits of these technologies without compromising your privacy and security. Spyware is a type of malicious software that operates in stealth mode, secretly collecting data from your phone without your knowledge or consent. Spyware can be installed on your phone through various means, such as phishing links, malicious apps, and infected websites. Hackers often disguise malicious links in emails, text messages, or social media posts. Clicking on these links can redirect you to fake websites or download spyware directly onto your device. Some apps may contain hidden spyware that collects personal information, tracks your location, or even records your calls and messages. Visiting compromised websites can also lead to spyware infections. Once installed, spyware operates in the background, silently siphoning off your personal data. It can record your keystrokes, capturing passwords and credit card information, track your location, monitor your browsing habits, and even access your camera and microphone. The presence of spyware can be difficult to detect, as it often operates without any noticeable impact on your phone's performance. Section 5. Cloning apps. Beware of what you download. In the ever-evolving landscape of phone hacking, a new breed of malicious tools has emerged: cloning apps. These apps, often disguised as legitimate utilities or games, are designed to create a mirror image of your phone and its data on another device. Cloning apps function by exploiting vulnerabilities in your phone's operating system, or by tricking you into granting them extensive permissions. Once installed, they can access a wide range of data stored on your phone, including contacts, messages, and photos. The insidious nature of cloning apps lies in their ability to operate discreetly. They often masquerade as legitimate apps, making it difficult to distinguish them from harmless software. Furthermore, they can run in the background, silently transmitting your data to remote servers without raising any red flags. The increasing sophistication and availability of cloning apps underscore the importance of being cautious about the apps you download and the permissions you grant them. By adhering to safe app download practices and being vigilant about your phone's security settings, you can mitigate the risk of falling victim to these malicious tools. Section 6. Warning signs: how to tell if your phone is already cloned. Detecting a cloned phone can be challenging, as hackers often go to great lengths to conceal their activity. However, there are telltale signs that can alert you to a potential compromise. If you experience any of the following, your phone may have been cloned: unusual activity on your accounts, unfamiliar calls or messages, increased data usage and battery drain. If your phone's battery life has noticeably decreased without a justifiable reason, it could be a red flag. If you suspect your phone has been cloned, it's crucial to take immediate action to mitigate the damage and protect your personal information. Contact your mobile service provider immediately to report the issue and regain control of your phone number. Change your passwords for all online accounts, especially financial accounts and email. Install reputable security software on your phone to scan for and remove any malicious apps or files. Section 7. Protecting your digital life: essential steps to secure your phone. While the threat of phone cloning is real and constantly evolving, there are proactive steps you can take to safeguard your device and your digital life from these insidious attacks. By implementing the following security measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of becoming a victim. Create strong, unique passwords for all your online accounts, and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Avoid accessing sensitive information, such as online banking or shopping, while connected to public Wi-Fi networks. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a virtual private network or VPN to encrypt your internet traffic and protect your data from eavesdropping. Turn off Bluetooth on your phone when you're not using it to pair with devices. Only download apps from official app stores, such as the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Regularly update your phone's operating system and apps to ensure you have the latest security patches and bug fixes. Protecting your phone from cloning is an ongoing process that requires vigilance, awareness, and a proactive approach to security. By adopting these essential security measures, you can fortify your defenses and safeguard your digital life from the ever-present threat of phone cloning. Section 8. The future of phone security: staying ahead of the curve. As technology advances, so too do the methods employed by hackers to infiltrate our devices and steal our information. Emerging technologies, such as artificial intelligence and machine learning, are playing an increasingly important role in combating phone cloning and other cyber threats. AI-powered security solutions can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and anomalies that may indicate malicious activity. Biometric authentication, such as fingerprint scanning and facial recognition, is becoming increasingly prevalent in smartphones, providing an additional layer of security beyond traditional passwords. The battle against phone cloning and other cyber threats is an ongoing arms race. By staying informed about the latest threats, adopting best security practices, and embracing emerging technologies, we can strive to create a safer and more secure digital environment for all. Section 9. Take action now, don't wait to become a victim. The threat of phone cloning is real, and the consequences of falling victim to this insidious attack can be devastating. From identity theft and financial loss, to the erosion of privacy and peace of mind, the ramifications of a compromised phone can have a lasting impact on your life. By implementing the security measures outlined in this essay, you can significantly reduce the risk of your phone being cloned and protect your digital life from these invisible threats. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about phone cloning, the methods employed by hackers, and the steps you can take to protect yourself, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the digital world safely and securely. Take action now, fortify your defenses, and safeguard your digital life from the ever-present threat of phone cloning.